Hi, it's Allie from Inspiralized, and today we're in my kitchen and we are making my Italian zucchini noodle turkey burger patties. To start this recipe off, we're gonna need some spiralized zucchini. So I have one small to medium zucchini here, and I'm gonna prep it for spiralizing. So what you need to do here is slice the ends off flatly and evenly. And once you've done that, you're ready to spiralize. So we have our Inspiralizer here, and I'm going to set it down and press my hand firmly on the center and use these counter clamps to suction to the countertop. And then your spiralizer will not budge. And we are gonna be using Blade D, which makes spaghetti style noodles, which will be perfect for these turkey burger patties. So I'm just gonna take my zucchini and I'm going to center it onto the Inspiralizer, and then press the back handle firmly into the zucchini and just spin the handle. And you wanna make sure that you have a shallow plate or cutting board or something similar underneath the Inspiralizer to catch those noodles as they come out. So that's it, that's as many noodles as we'll need for our turkey burger patties. If you're using a full pound of ground meat, you'll wanna spiralize the whole zucchini, but for this, we're just gonna use about half a zucchini. So what I do here now is I take a knife and I'm just gonna chop the noodles up. So now that we have our zucchini spiralized, we have our zucchini noodles, we're ready to assemble the turkey burger patties. And I'm gonna start off by adding in my turkey meat. Now we're gonna add in our dried herbs. So I have that dried basil. We have some red pepper flakes. If you don't like super spicy, you could use less or none. I like some spicy kick. We have our dried parsley. We have some onion powder. We have dried oregano. And then we have some minced garlic. I'm just gonna have that in here. And then I'm going to season with salt and pepper. So now I'm just gonna use my hands to combine the meat mixture with all the herbs and the garlic, just like you would if you were making meatballs. So I'm just gonna toss that all together. You want the herbs to spread all throughout the ground turkey. So once the meat is combined with the spices and the garlic, we can add in our zucchini noodles. So we're gonna add those in, and then just like you did before, we're gonna move the meat around to combine. So you want the zucchini noodles to combine with the meat, and you want them evenly combined. So what's great about the zucchini noodles is that normally turkey burgers can be kind of dry, but with zucchini noodles, because they're made up of over 90% water, what happens is as they hit the heat with the turkey meat, they release moisture. So it makes the turkey burger patties more moist because of that released moisture. So it's kind of a little hack to use your spiralizer, and also you're spitting in more veggies into your diet by combining the meat with the veggies. Okay, so my turkey burger mixture is all ready. I have a grill pan set over medium-high heat, and what I like to do is as that's heating up, I form my patties right here, and then I just put them straight into the grill pan. Now you could use a little bit of oil in the pan, that will just give it more flavor, but one of the benefits of using a grill pan or a grill is that you don't need to add any additional oils, but it's totally up to you, and I'll show you what I would do if I use oil. So just do a little bit of drizzle right in the pan. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my hands here and pull out something that would basically fit in my palm. And if there's any extra noodles kind of sticking out, I'll take them out and then I'll just press them back into the meat mixture. You just don't want any parts of the burger that are really noodly. And I just do little patties like that, and I'm gonna transfer them to the skillet. And now we're gonna let these cook for just a few minutes, and then we'll flip them over and let them cook another 3 to 4 minutes about. And once they are opaque and cooked through and the juices run clear, we're ready to enjoy our turkey zucchini noodle burgers. Okay, so our turkey patties have been cooking for about 5 minutes, and I'm ready to flip. And we're gonna see those pretty grill marks on the side and the bottom. So we're gonna let these cook again another few minutes, and if you wanted here, you could press down to flatten the patties if you wanted a thinner patty, but I like them cute and fluffy like this, so I just leave them to cook like that. Okay, there you have it, my Italian turkey zucchini noodle burger patties. You hear them cracking and sizzling. They have such beautiful grill marks. So I'll just put a little lettuce cut down there, grab my burger, and just like that, you can add whatever you want on top, and then I would just cover with another lettuce leaf, and you have a cute, healthy, veggie-packed dinner. These Italian zucchini noodle turkey burger patties are easy and quick to make on the weeknight. You can use them on an indoor grill pan or outside on the grill, and you can kind of build your own adventure with these. I hope you make these sometime over the summer, and for more healthy recipes like these, you can check out Inspiralized.com.